Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I think that video with the rolling shots that Carter did for me was fantastic. I'm sure you'll agree. We're gonna do much more with McLaren, and soon we're gonna do some more rolling shot videos of my other cars. So I'm looking forward to that. I'm really enjoying the car. It's been a few months now and I put a few miles on it and it's really fun. Reaction from people has been great, and you know, I think I'm very pleased with the performance of the car. I'm very pleased with the styling, like I mentioned before, and everything with it. It's working great. No issues so far. Obviously I will report if I have any issues with this car. It's something that people ask me about, but so far I've been very happy. I got some bonus footage of some drone shots that I took the day that we did the filming with Carter, and I'm gonna show that to you now, and I hope you enjoy it. There's a lot more coming in GarageBots over the next few weeks. Some interesting things with other cars that you should be probably very interested in. So make sure you subscribe, and thank you for your support. I'll leave you with bonus aerial shots of Storm, my 2017 McLaren 570 GT. Take care. See you again soon. Bye.